Sing that shit.
Alright guys, I got it set up on my counter here. Here's to take a closer look. Alright, in the menu this suggests you guys we should preheat it first before using, so that's what I'm doing now. And what I like about it, they have a little button right here that says preheat. So it's going to take about 5 minutes to preheat. It should be 5 times, and then you can get to cooking. So what I'm going to be cooking is just some fries and some chicken nuggets. So I'm going to be using this item right up here. So it's very easy to use. One thing they say though, don't touch the sides or the back. Alright, these bottom parts gets very hot, so only use the handle part. So I have it set up on my counter right now. Alright guys, I just took out the fries out of the air fryer. I have chicken McNuggets in there now. These are pretty good. I just want to show you the basket of this unit. What I like about it. As you can see, you got this little plastic piece right here. As you push forward, it reveals this little button here. When you push down on it, it allows you to lift the tray out of the inner tray. So there's 2 trays connected together. So you have the inner tray and the outer tray. And I'm assuming this is where you're going to be catching all your oil and everything. So that's a nice touch with this air fryer.